Hey musicians, Soundwave Reviews here. Check out the Amazon link in the description for full details. Are you looking for the perfect beginner-friendly keyboard with pro-level features? Meet the Alesis Recital Play 88-key keyboard piano, a powerful, portable, and versatile instrument for musicians of all levels. The Alesis Recital Play delivers 88 full-size, touch-sensitive keys, simulating the feel of a real acoustic piano. With built-in speakers, you get rich, authentic sound right out of the box. With split, lesson, and record modes, you can practice, record, and learn at your own pace. 480 sounds from grand pianos to synths. 160 rhythms, create and play in any genre. 140 demo songs, perfect for practice. Need to connect to your computer? The USB-MIDI feature lets you integrate seamlessly with recording software and educational apps like Scoob and Melodics, and yes, a free trial is included. This isn't just a keyboard, it's a complete bundle. You get a keyboard stand that's adjustable for all ages, headphones so you can practice quietly anytime, a sustained pedal for that professional piano feel, and a carry case to take your music anywhere, play anytime, anywhere. With both AC power and battery operation, you can practice at home or on the go. As a music producer, I own expensive keyboards, but this one outperforms them all. A great keyboard for beginners, with fantastic sound quality for the price. Want to start your piano journey or upgrade your setup? Get the Alesis Recital Play today. Click the link below to order now. Like and subscribe for more music gear reviews. Click on the Amazon link in the description for full details.